Leaf presents Induction Training. Prepare your new intake for the workplace. Are your new trainees and other audit staff struggling to hit the ground running with the audit season already in full swing? Or is your current approach to new employees failing to generate long-term dividends? At Leaf, we believe that the bar should be set at a higher level than pure compliance. Our approach to efficiency, profitability, and pure enjoyment of audit causes compliance to be a byproduct and not the sole aim of auditing. Leaf has just the training solution for you. Our Audit Trainee Induction course develops audit quality standards above existing standards while making their role easier to understand. The training material is focused on the development of individuals as professional auditors with practical application and instills professionalism, a grasp of ethics, and knowledge of the audit process and audit templates. Basic tools like Excel are also addressed. Make a long-term investment by enrolling your staff in our induction training today. Learn more by clicking the link below.